Here's how to get a refund from Airbnb. Now this won't always work, but sometimes it will. So the first thing we need to talk about is common situations where you can actually get a refund. So first is the host cancellation. So if the host cancels shortly before your stay or denies you access, you can get a refund. If it's unclean or an unsafe property, so if the property is not clean, has safety or health hazards, or undisclosed pets. Inaccurate listing is also a reason, so if the property doesn't match the listing in terms of size, type of accommodation, presence of other parties, or availability of amenities. For example, if they say there is a pool but the pool is not available, that could be a reason for a refund. Then you need to report the issue to Airbnb. So report any issues in writing to Airbnb as soon as possible, and if it's reported within 24 hours of check-in, Airbnb may work more quickly to resolve the issue. If reported later, they will still investigate, but outcomes may vary. You can contact them through the Resolution Center in the Airbnb app. Then the resolution process is that Airbnb will mediate between you and the host, and if a resolution cannot be reached, Airbnb may issue a refund at their discretion up to the full amount of your stay. So that's how to get a refund from Airbnb. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.